Hey dolls, so this is another collaboration with samsbeauty.com. All of their information, social media will be down below. All the information and specs on this wig will also be down below. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, like, and comment as well.
Or at least just for a while, give me never ending. Or at least give me a mind, give me happiness.
If you're looking for a winner, looking for attention, looking for supreme, looking for a queen, just roll with me. If you're looking for a winner, looking for attention, looking for supreme, looking for a queen.
So this is a Swiss lace silk top wig. It is in the color blue black. This is a 4x4 full hand tied silk lace part. It allows you to have multiple directional parts. It is the most flawless appearance with hidden knots on the silk top. It's 3 combs, 2 in the front, 1 in the back, and also adjustable straps. I'm so in love with this hair.
How would you like it if I do the things you do? Put you on do not disturb and entertain these dudes. I'ma ride him crazy and you never have a clue. Give another guy everything that belongs to you. I'ma call up Brian, I'ma FaceTime Ryan, I'ma text Lorenzo, and I'ma leave you crying.
Thumbs up for this wig, dolls. Sam's Beauty came through with this color blue black. I am so in love, and spring ready, honey. So winter, let's get out of the way. Spring, let's come through, because your girl is ready. So much dolls for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, like this video, go follow Sam's Beauty on their Instagram. All their specs will be at the bottom of the page as well. Make sure you comment down below as to how much you love this hair. Bye dolls, I will see you in my next video. Mwah.